In this Photoshop video tutorial, I want to show you how easily you can create a Facebook timeline cover simply by using a public domain picture. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to go up to File, click New. I already have our width picked out at 828 pixels. It used to be 851, but Facebook changed it to 828. The height remained the same, though, at 315. We're going to make this a resolution of 72 since it's for the web, and it doesn't matter the contents of the background, whether it's white, transparent, or what, because we're going to be using a picture. Let's just click OK. I already have a photo picked out for us. And it's going to be this beach photo right here. So we're just going to move this right in here like this. And then we're going to go ahead and stretch this out. Click up here, get rid of that line. And there we have our Facebook timeline cover. And now we can start adding some text, new layer. And I'm going to use a font size of about 18. And just call this Cafe by the Sea. Oops. And let's increase the font size here. Let's do Control A. Let's see what it looks like at about 30. Let's go just close that. Let's do it this way. Let's do Control T. That brings out our transform tool. And we can stretch it this way. Cafe by the Sea. We're going to just leave that there. Click up here. And let's go create another new layer. And just create a subtitle this time. So we're going to change the font size from 30. This is going to be like a sub headline, subtext. Let's make it 16. And we'll just do something like chilling by the sea. We'll do Control T. So make it a little larger. Not as large as the main headline, but a little larger. Now, what I want to do is go back to Cafe by the Sea, go to our blending options. I'll give this a little bit of a stroke. Let's increase the size there by about 2. That looks good. Give some bevel and emboss. Make it outer bevel, that's good. And maybe a little bit of a drop shadow. Multiply 90. Distance, let's increase the distance just a little bit. Click OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the same layer style and use it on the other text layer by copying the layer style. Then going to the other one, right clicking and paste layer style, and that takes care of both our text. And you can just keep adding layers and adding more information. I know some people might want to add like a phone number or something like that on there, email address, website. I wouldn't go below this point here because Facebook does add some things on here now, like your actions and things of that nature. Of course, your profile picture will be in here. So you don't want to add anything there as far as text goes because it will be covered up by your profile picture. But anyway, this is a basic Facebook timeline cover. Hopefully you can use this, what I just showed you, and you'll see it's pretty simple, but it looks pretty. It looks good. So let's go ahead and save this. And we'll just call it Cafe by the Sea. And I'm going to leave it as a PSD. I'll put my pictures there and just click Save. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you can put this to good use. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.